Hello teacher and classmates. This is the speaking assignment. My name is Johan Arciniegas Fajardo. I am 29 years old. I was born in Bogota, but I'm living in Buenaventura Valle. I am a student of electronic engineering program at UNAT at Palmira. I am electronic technologist and I work at DIMAR like electronic technician of IT navigation. I like listening to rock music. I like to play and watch soccer and traveling. I have 4 cats in my home. The Buenaventura waterfront uh, is the main park of the city. It is located in the center of the insular part of the municipality. It is a great attraction for tourists and locals of the city. In the park, in this park, there are attractions for children, places to eat and drink, and there is a boarding pier. There are also sport courts and a running track. On this side you can see the Bay of Buenaventura, the Pacific Ocean, and the large merchant ships that enter and leave the port. I invite my classmates to visit Buenaventura, its beaches, and especially the Broadwalk downtown. Best wishes for all and thank you for your support. Goodbye.